I'm not a huge fan of the company Apple. I don't think they treat their customers well. But what I am a fan of are their products. Their products are consistently one of the best in that segment. So, when rumors started popping around of an iPhone which is a foldable, I had lots of thoughts, among which one was, wow, this might just be a game changer. Here are 3 other reasons why. I am Devathan and you're watching Tech Aisle. Tiny disclaimer before we begin, this is just based on leaks and rumors, so even the name has not been confirmed yet. We even don't know if this is going to be a flip or a foldable. Reports show both. But I like to believe that this will be a flip, and hence I will be calling the foldable iPhone Flip in this video. Let's begin now. The main problem that Android foldables, which is all of the foldables released so far, faces is the problem of apps. This is especially in the case of folds like the Galaxy Fold and not much in flips like the Z Flip. This is due to the way that Android tablets are designed. In Android, most of the tablet apps are just resized so that they can reach all the corners. But this becomes a problem in folds where they open up to become a tablet. Whereas in flips, apps which take advantage of both the screens are very less actually. But all this changes when you switch your software to TouchWiz to iPad OS. Instead of just resizing apps, iPad apps are created from the scratch, from the level 0. So this might increase the cost, might take more time and effort, but the end result gives the users a very well optimized and thought out apps. So the iPhone Flip can solve the problem of apps by a little margin if they combine both the iPad OS apps as well as the iPhone apps. The thread that manufacturers have not been able to crack, pun intended, in foldables are those of the durability of the screen. Samsung can be counted as the closest because they came up with what they call ultra thin glass in the Z Flip as well as the Z Fold 2. But it turned out that it was present under a layer of plastic in the screen. But as we all know, plastic is very prone to damages and scratches at level 2 or 3 and can even be scratched using our fingernails. So it is clear that the main problem is durability. But I think there is one company which can change all this. And no prizes for guessing this one. It is passion fruit.
Because passion is something that you should have. Yeah.
Seriously though, if you have not guessed till now, it is Apple. Why, you ask? Heard of ceramic shield? So if you have not heard of ceramic shield, with the iPhone 12 series and the 12 Pro series, Apple came up with what they call ceramic shield. Basically, it was a layer of a mixture of extremely tiny glass and ceramic in the glass of the screen. What this resulted in was a claim of 4 times better drop resistance. And guess what? Reports say that Apple might just use the ceramic shield for the iPhone Flip. This is a major step in the books of foldables in my opinion. The screen might just become more durable in foldable phones, which of course is a welcome change. But one thing to keep in mind here is that ceramic shield offers resistance against only drops and not scratches. So that is one thing to keep in mind. Because of the design of the foldables, these cannot generally have large batteries like 5000 mAh or 6000 mAh. This is more so in the case of flips where the space is less, so you can have only smaller batteries. Like the Z Flip has only a 3300 mAh battery and the Moto Razr 5G has a 2800 mAh battery. This is not a massive problem in folds because you of course get a lot more space. But you know one company which has a small battery but still gives a fantastic battery life?
Passion fruit.
No, not passion fruit. Apple. Again, like the iPhone 12 Pro Max has a 3687 mAh battery, the iPhone 12 has a 2815 mAh battery, and the 11 Pro Max has 3969 mAh battery, and yet all of them had fantastic above par battery life. This is due to the optimization that Apple has done in both the chip as well as the software because they control both of them. So just imagine the iPhone Flip having the same battery as the iPhone 12 and having a screen on time of what? 5 to 6 hours. That might just be an all-time high for flippables. But the fact that Apple did not put a large battery in a large phone like the 12 Pro Max might just hinder this theory. But I really hope that Apple can nail battery life. So what do you think of Apple releasing a foldable? It won't come with a charger in the box obviously, and it will be very expensive. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching and hit that sweet red subscribe button if you haven't, and also hit that thumbs up button. That's it for today. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching and I will see you next week. space is lesser than the flow. What? A tiny disclaimer before we begin.